Hey guys, basic principle on math questions that I want to share here is that whenever the question mentions a shape or even a graph or any kind of visual that you could draw, but if they mention it but they don't give it to you, your job is to draw it. As you start to draw it yourself, you will think more clearly through the question. And a lot of times when you're just stuck and don't know what to do, if you just start drawing the picture of what's happening, labeling the scene, labeling any details that they give you, as you start to see it, you'll think more clearly through it, and then you'll often arrive at how to actually do the question. So I'll just give you a few quick examples here. Number 60 here on an ACT exam, they say Ray PK bisects LPM. So let's just draw LPM. PK bisects it. Okay, so there's K. So LPM is 11x. Okay, the measure of LPK, got it, is 4x plus 18. So the whole thing is 11x. What's the measure of KPM? Okay. So we want to know that one. So basically, 4x plus 18 times 2 is equal to 11x. And we could solve from there. But the idea here is just draw out the situation for yourself and you'll see it and think through it more clearly. Let me give you another example. Anytime they mention a shape, by the way, if they mention a swimming pool or a road, or draw that swimming pool, draw that road. And you can also see it here in another question. If you look at number 30 here, you could have a unit circle question. So anytime you have a unit circle question, just draw the unit circle. Just do it. Even if you're not sure what to do, just draw that unit circle, and everything will start to get clear. So here they say theta is between 90 and 180. All right. So we'll just draw a random angle there on our unit circle. Sine opposite over hypotenuse. 20 over 29, so cosine must be what? Which is just here adjacent over hypotenuse. So yeah, I think we actually already know the answer is H because it's the only one with 29 in the denominator, which is the hypotenuse, adjacent over hypotenuse for cosine. So anyway, just drawing it out here enables you to think through it really quickly. And I had one more example I was going to show you guys. Could just be a functions graph. So if we look at this SAT question here, number 10, as you're thinking through the answers, you might just want to draw yourself each of these graphs so you can see it. So if we just look at A here, absolute value of x minus 2, even that one's a little hard, but I'm like, all right, 0 minus 2, okay, so that's going to be down here. Negative 1, absolute value of it is going to be 1, minus 2, negative 1, so negative 1, negative 1. Negative 2, absolute value of it, minus 2 would be 0, okay. Anyway, my whole point here, and as I go through, let's just look at B, C, C pretty easily, I could just draw, it's right there. As you're wondering and thinking through these questions, anything you can draw it. You will think through the question better that way. So that's the key point here. Use this on as many and as wide of an array of questions as you can. It will help you.